Hi, in this update, I will share how to extend the signal of Android and our F-Connect app that can send pairing messages. Open the app, then go to Advertiser. Then write Apple TV connecting to network, then click on Advertiser.
Welcome to your life. There's no turning back.
Power level to 1 and hit OK.
There's no turning back.
Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit subscribe.